Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Delia. Now if you've been watching Digital Rising Star since this year, you would have been familiar with Kiki. No, not Kiki from Jake's In My Feelings video, no. Digital has its own Kiki. Now I remember Kiki from the auditions, and I said to Ryan that yeah, she looked and sound like a Kiki for true. She sounded really nice, but then when she came on the show, it was a whole different person. And if you've been watching, you've seen her get emotional, and she has gone through so many criticisms that the girl can't sing and all these things. And I think Jamaica was being a little bit harsh on Kiki. Now on Facebook this morning I saw a video where it says that she quit the Rising Star. Now I wanted to do a reaction to this video. So as usual I have not watched the video yet, so we are going to watch it together to see what she has to say. So let's watch it.
This is probably dark. It looks dark to me, probably dark to you guys also. But struggles of androids. Anyways, this is Kiki, as everyone knows. I'm saying, I don't want everybody to think that, oh, I gave up and stuff. I'm not giving up. I know I can sing, and I'm not trying to prove anything to anyone because, somebody told me that, I should redeem myself. But my form of redeeming or my form of redemption won't be going back on stage and, forcing myself to sing because I have really bad stage fright, and that's just my thing. It's not that I can't do anything about it, but I can't right now. So, as I'm going to say, yeah, people will talk. I know people, oh, she can't sing, she got young, blah, blah. People are going to talk. Come on. I don't think there is not one person in this world that hasn't been judged by people who don't know them. Come on. I'm saying.
True.
So this is my little, tribute to the people who have been supporting me. People that have been by my side, ones that left when everything went downhill, and yeah, I know. So here's a little piece of my voice.
I think she's going to sing.
This is a song called Titanium by Sia. Yes, Sia. She's probably one of the best inspirations I even right now because she always has some great songs that make you feel so good about yourself, even other people tell you different. But here it is, guys. Talking loud, not saying far did I know, guys. Thank you.
So wow. You see, I've been saying it all along that this girl can sing and there's something else wrong. You know what? Most of us have fears. We do. It's just that we don't come out publicly with our fears. So therefore we are not criticized. And this girl, this baby girl, knows her weakness. She said it. She has stage fright. And that is what prevented her from doing her best on Rising Star. Now I hope we can walk away and learn something from this. She tried to face her fears and obviously it did not work. But guess what? She is titanium. Because with all that has been said and with everybody laughing at her, she knows exactly who she is and what she wants. She's not going to stop because she's been criticized, because she knows her weakness and she accepts her weakness. That is a lesson that we should all learn. We all have weaknesses, so we have to accept those weaknesses before we can ever move on. Because once we are not accepting of whatever weakness we have, it holds us down. And I know that we're not going to hear the last of Kiki. Kiki is going to be big. Trust me on that, because she has accepted who she is. And she has accepted, this is not a failure for her. This is her facing her fears. And right now, Rising Stars isn't the place for her, and she has accepted that. So for me personally, I'm so proud of Kiki, and she has earned my respect 100%. Well guys, tell me what you think in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification button so that you can be notified when I put out videos. And if you've been rocking with me from day one, once again, I do appreciate you. Until next time guys, bye!